Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to make this fun and simple Celebrate card. Here are the supplies that you'll need. They're also linked below. As you can see, you really don't need much. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, take whatever color pen you're using. Here I'm using teal and the specific color is linked below, to trace or outline, the letters. Once your letters are outlined, outline the balloons, and then color in the negative space, leaving the letters white. So essentially you're coloring in the balloons. I chose to go over everything again to give the color a little bit more of a saturated look. I found for this particular color that was a nice effect, but it may vary depending on the type of pen and color that you're using. Finally, you need to draw the strings on the balloons. And I just freehanded this part. Again, I had them drawn in pencil previously. If you look closely, you can see that the lines are not perfectly straight. I personally like that look, but if you want really straight lines, just use a ruler. And once you have that complete, your card is done. I hope you enjoyed this video.